Dear students, welcome. My name is Kapu Shravanti, lecturer in ECE, Government Polytechnic for Women, Warangal, Telangana. Today, the presentation of my topic is Introduction to the Electronic Measuring Instruments. On completion of this presentation, you would be able to know about what is electronic measuring instrument and essentials of an electronic instrument, block diagram of an electronic instrument. So, you already know about electronic devices. Nowadays, we are using all the electronic devices. We are in daily life, that is computer, cell phone and TV and radio. We are all familiar with this one. So, electronic measuring instruments, nothing but the instrument which measures the electronic quantity or electrical quantity. So, before going to the electronic measuring instrument, I will give the definition about measuring instrument. Measuring instrument is a device for measuring any physical quantity. That means that can be stress, pressure, temperature, like this. So these measuring instruments are classified into three types: analog instruments, digital instruments and electronic instruments. So analog instruments are nothing but they consist of a continuous, that is it consists of a pointer is there, that means continuous indication is there, deflection type is there. The pointer in these type of instruments is deflection type, and digital instruments there is a numerical readout is there. In electronic instruments it consists of any type. In electronic instruments, that is there is a vast difference between the electrical instruments and the electronic instrument. In electronic instruments we have the in their makeup, that means in their manufacturing there is an electronic device, that is nothing but electronic component, particularly amplifier is there for modifying the signals. So that is the difference. The difference between the electrical and electronic is, that is in electronic measuring instruments, that is modifying device is inbuilt in their makeup. So now coming to the necessary requirements of the any measuring instruments. So for measuring any type of quantity, the instrument requires the power. The consumption of power should be small, and also by introducing the instrument in the circuit conditions should not get altered. Now coming to the advantages of an electronic instruments. So electronic instruments have higher sensitivity, faster response and greater flexibility. Now essentials of an electronic instrument. Electronic instrument is made up of three elements. That means any type of an electronic instrument consists of three elements, that is transducer, signal modifier and indicating device. Now this is the block diagram. Transducer, which is nothing but it converts the one form of energy to the another form of energy, and the second one is the signal modifier. That means it may be a amplifier or a voltage divider or a rectifier, like that. Indicating meter, that can be either analog type or digital type. Generally in the present day situations, the indicating meter is, that is a digital readout. So now coming to the detailed discussion about the electronic instrument, that is transducer which converts one form of energy to the another form of energy. That means it converts the non-electrical quantity to the electrical quantity. That means the non-electrical quantity means temperature or pressure. if the transducer is already in the form of, that means if the measured quantity is which is already in the form of electrical form, hence then there is no need of transducer. Now coming to the signal modifier, which is the second element, and its function is for the modifying the signals, that means amplifying or voltage dividers. Signal modifiers are nothing but a signal changing, that is nothing but changing the signal, that means we can increase the signal or to decrease the signal or to change, that means AC to DC, like the rectifiers and filters, that means we can change the noise, or nothing but we can change the impurities, we already know that the filters, that means impurities we can eliminate by using the filters. So like that we can modify the signal. Now coming to the indicating device, so for general purpose instruments, just like voltmeters or ammeters, the indicating device is generally we are using the deflection type, but nowadays that is a digital readout is preferable. So these are all about the introduction of the any type of electronic measuring instrument. So I have gathered all these information from the books, that is Modern Electronic Instrumentation and Measurement Techniques, using, that is by Albert D. Helfrich and William David Cooper, and Electrical and Electronic Measuring Instrumentation by A.K. Sahni, and Electronic Instrumentation by H.S. Kelsey. So now let us summarize the topics. We have learnt about the introduction of electronic measuring instruments, and also the advantages, and also the block diagram of an electronic measuring instrument. I thank you very much for listening, and I thank you very much for watching my video. If you have any queries, please feel free to interrupt. My email ID is sravanthi.kapu, sravanthi.kapu@gmail.com. Thank you. Signing off, Sravanthi. Goodbye.